See this pier here, guys? It's about 7 metres off the water there. You're about 7 metres high off high tide. So that's pretty cool, and you can fish off it as well. It's about 300 metres long.
Now, you may know better than me, but why would you put a library on the end of a pier?
Look at the size of this thing. We've got a calf and some other bits and pieces, but the main object of this building here is the library, guys. See that, guys? The library. Here we are, guys. It's Christchurch Pier. Now this is about 300 metres long, guys, 6 metres wide. At the highest point above the ocean, we're 7 metres. 1894 was the first pier that opened here, and it had a penny arcade, and it even had a nightclub along the edge of it, and it gave New Zealanders a touch of like British with the Brighton Pier in the UK.
So the original build cost of the pier was about $4 million. Then the earthquakes happened, and the repair bill for the pier was $8.5 million. So you're looking at $10–12 million to have this pier sitting here. Now what I want to know, where have all the tourists gone? This place is dead as a dodo. Is $10–12 million really worth the effort?
Now New Brighton used to be the only place that you could shop in Christchurch on a Saturday. So you can imagine how you got 300,000 people with nowhere to shop. Where are they going to go? This place used to hum.
But unfortunately, it is not busy anymore, my friends. You could fire a gun down this pier and not hit anybody. It's absolutely bloody incredible.
Now the CBD is about 8 kilometres that way.
Anyway, guys, let's go and have a look at New Brighton Shopping Centre itself. Let's see if there's any more people actually in the shopping centre.
Now this used to be a hub, a family hub. Everyone used to come here on a Saturday. It was a really, really awesome place to come and go and see and do things. As you can see, it's quite picturesque, guys. But this still bears scars of the earthquake as well. So if we spin around here, we're right on the beach here, guys. So all we're doing basically is just walking down the main street here. And I don't think Brighton has ever recovered because there's nobody here, as you can see. It's still quite a good little shopping district here, guys. It's nowhere near as busy as what it used to be years ago. I remember when I came here 20 odd years ago, this was about the only place in Christchurch that was open on a Saturday, and it was really heaving around here. You could hardly walk down the streets, but you know, things have changed. So this is coming into Brighton proper, guys. It's quite cute, as you can see. I love the trees on both sides of the road here. Really, really awesome. As you can hear, we're definitely by the sea, guys, with the old seagulls. Quite a nice day out Brighton, as you can see. Not a lot happening here today, guys. You got a few little eateries either side. Once again, in the summertime, this place is packed, but not like it used to be before all the shops and everything else were opening. But still a nice day out, all in all, guys. And the advantage of being here too is you're pretty close to the central city. About a 10-minute drive from the CBD. So all in all, pretty close to where you're staying in town, if you're staying in town, of course. Still doing a lot of work around here after the earthquakes as well. I mean, we're only 12 years on. I mean, you can't rush these things, can you? Don't always think it's this quiet, guys, because it's not. But you're not going to get trampled in the rush even in the busiest times around here. The sea out there, guys, looks quite angry. See a ship out there coming out of Littleton Port, and there may be another one over there somewhere, as you can just see on the horizon. If we look way down the beach there, guys, there's Sumner Beach. I've actually done a video on that beach as well. Check in the description below and I'll put a link for you. Here's another container ship out there, guys. Looks like he's heading towards Littleton Port. If we look up the beach this way, guys, this is sort of heading north. On a really clear day, you can see for about 35 miles up the coast there, you can actually see the coast bending round. So you can actually follow the coastline all the way around. It's pretty awesome, really. Now, of course, no beach in New Zealand would be complete without a kid's playground, guys. And this is an awesome playground here. Let's have a go and have a quick look. Hear that sea behind us, guys? It sounds quite angry, doesn't it? Awesome playground for the kids, guys. And we've even got the whale pool here. I mean, when I was a kid, I spent hours and hours in this little pool here, and it's good to see that they've kept it over the years. They've just updated it a little bit. Hey, fond memories of this place, guys. Good place to come with the family though. Once again, it's free, and I love free stuff. Pete loves free stuff. As with all seaside suburbs, guys, there's heaps of places to eat and drink. Actually, even in the summertime, it's not that busy down here, guys. You never have any trouble finding some place to put your towel or something like that. So guys, that was New Brighton, Christchurch by the sea. Not exactly the best day to come down here. If you like videos about New Zealand and that sort of stuff, check up there. I'll put a link up there to a video I did on a great day out in the New Zealand Botanic Gardens. Or check over here, guys, if you want to see an awesome day out in Littleton Harbour.